Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Gyrotech Nabco 2210065 main harness assembly for their Magnum series door. Remove it from the packaging here. This video is really to provide visual evidence as much as anything else. Self-adhesive backer, wire connectors. Give you an idea of the length of that lead. Yeah, just over 4 feet in length. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Gyrotech Nabco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Gyrotech Nabco 2210065 main wiring harness for their Magnum series door, or any other Gyrotech Nabco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.